Under the Right to Information Act of 2005, every Indian citizen holds the legal authority to demand official records, budgets, and details directly from the government. Citizens use this tool to enforce real transparency. When public funds disappear or projects stall, an RTI application forces the facts out into the open. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to draft, pay for, and officially submit your first legally binding RTI application. You only need 3 things to start: a specific question, 10 rupees, and either an internet connection or a nearby post office. Government accountability is a highly structured and highly actionable process. Let's walk through exactly how you execute it today. Step 1 is pinpointing the exact government department that holds the information you want. If it's a local village issue, that might be the Gram Panchayat. For city infrastructure, the municipal corporation, or for education, the school board. You can write your application on plain paper. Include your full name, address, date, signature, and state exactly how you want the data delivered, whether you need paper copies, a CD, or a physical inspection of the records. Here is where most first-time applications fail. People ask opinion-based questions, like, why was this road not built? Look at this split-screen comparison. On the left, asking why gives the department an easy reason to reject your request. On the right, asking for specific existing records, like budget allocations and project timelines, creates a legally sound request. Under the law, the government is only obligated to provide physical or digital records that already exist. They do not have to generate new explanations or offer opinions. Keep the body of your request brief. Separate the specific documents you want into clear, numbered bullet points. Stick to 1 subject per application. Cramming too many unrelated topics into a single document causes immediate administrative delays. Using precise, record-focused language removes administrative loopholes. It forces the department to give you a data-driven response rather than a quick rejection. With your application drafted, you have 2 valid pathways for submission: the traditional offline postal route or the official digital portal. If you choose the physical route, you must pay a 10 rupee fee. Depending on your state's specific rules, you pay this using an Indian postal order or by affixing a court fee stamp to your document. Address the envelope to your target department's Public Information Officer, or PIO. Always send it via speed post or registered post to guarantee you receive a physical tracking receipt. This is the official RTI Online Portal India interface. If you choose the digital pathway, you will submit your request directly through this site. Use the portal's drop-down menus to select the correct ministry or department that holds your required records. Paste your cleanly drafted bullet points into the main text box and complete the transaction using the 10 rupee digital payment gateway. Whether you mail a physical letter or click Submit online, securing your official tracking number is the critical action. That receipt locks in the government's legal deadline to respond. This timeline illustrates the strict legal limits of the process. From the day of submission, the Public Information Officer has exactly 30 days to provide the requested records. There is one exception. If you sent your application to the wrong department, they have a 5-day window to legally transfer it to the correct one. If 30 days pass in complete silence, or if the department returns incomplete and misleading information, the initial request has failed. You counter this by filing a first appeal. You submit this to the first appellate authority within that exact same department, and you must do it strictly within 30 days of the failure. If the first appeal is also ignored, you escalate the issue to the ultimate authority. This is the second appeal. You completely bypass the original department and file directly with the State Information Commission or the Central Information Commission. The RTI system is designed with these built-in legal escalations. Initial bureaucratic silence is not a dead end. It is a trigger for higher judicial intervention. If you followed these steps, you now hold a legally binding application and a designated tracking number. For those filing offline, always keep a photocopy of your written application tucked away safely with your original postal receipt. Mark your calendar using your submission date and actively track that looming 30-day deadline. Check the description box below this video to download a free, pre-formatted, ready-to-use RTI physical template. Exercising your civic rights actively shapes government accountability. Subscribe to the channel for more practical guides on wielding your rights.